Build me a luxury yacht, but make it a living creature. We moved from digital code to the heavy metal of the shipyard. This is the whale yacht taking shape. Look at the organic geometry. No traditional blueprints here, just pure AI-driven engineering. Every curve is optimized for the deep. The moment of truth. Moving a beast this size isn't just logistics, it's a test of the future. Music drops / bass hit. She's alive. The AI whale yacht. Zero resistance, total luxury, and a design that changes everything. Would you sail on this? Let me know in the comments.